In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your Netlify site. We're going to walk through the full process of taking a static project, deploying it to Netlify, and then linking it to your own custom domain so visitors can reach your site through a professional web address. This is a straightforward process, and once everything is set up, Netlify will also handle a free SSL certificate for you automatically, which means your site can load securely over HTTPS. To begin, sign up for a free Netlify account if you haven't already. After logging in, deploy your static project by dragging and dropping your project folder into Netlify's deployment area. This works well for static websites, and Netlify will quickly upload the files, build the site if needed, and give you a live version hosted on their platform. Once that deployment finishes, open the site you just created from your Netlify dashboard. From there, go into the site settings area and open site configuration, then domain management. This is where Netlify lets you control which domain names point to your website. In the domain section, click the option to add a domain, and then type in the custom domain name you want to use. Make sure you enter the domain carefully, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working correctly. After adding the domain in Netlify, the next part happens at your domain registrar. This is the company where your domain name was purchased, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Log into your registrar account, open the DNS management area for your domain, and add the A record or CNAME record values that Netlify provides. These DNS records are what tell the internet that your custom domain should load the website hosted on Netlify. Once you've entered those DNS records, save the changes in your registrar settings. Keep in mind that DNS updates are not always instant. In some cases, they can begin working within minutes, but sometimes they may take longer to fully propagate. As Netlify detects the correct DNS configuration, it will automatically generate a free SSL certificate for your domain. This step is important because it secures your site and allows visitors to access it safely using HTTPS. At that point, your custom domain should be connected, your site should be live, and your Netlify project will be accessible through your own branded web address.